Wow. Waiting for her to throw up. Look at she's like holding on for dear life. Centrifuge. She can't even look up.
Yeah, get the table out of the way.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
What are you doing? You get up here? Go see Kristen. Go see Kristen.
Are you getting dizzy?
Get her.
Come here.
Get her, Kaylee.
She's like, I'm waiting for the room to stop spinning.
Come here. Come here.
Oh.
Come here.
Go see Kristen, Fuzzy.
Ready? Let's go the other way.
Oh, that's downers. Clockwise and counterclockwise. She's like, okay, sick as a dog.
As if she doesn't have enough problems walking. You say hi? Nope.
Now you're gonna flash her.